How to like a game in Roblox Mobile. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you may follow up these simple steps. So for that you may open up your Roblox application on your screen. And then once you open up Roblox like this, you need to log in into your account. You need to be logged in order to access the Roblox home screen with all of the games. So from here you may go ahead and locate up the game that you would like, or you may search the game that you would like. For example, I would like to like this game called Don't Shatter. So go ahead and tap on the game. And then after tapping on the game, here you will be given the game details on your screen. So wait for that to load up first completely, like this. And once it is loaded up, what you can do is you may scroll down and you should be finding this 97% with a thumbs up option. So all you gotta do is, in order to like it, we have this up and down arrow. So go ahead and tap on the up arrow. And once that is done, your vote, your like will be provided to the game. So that's it for now. You may follow up these simple steps in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next video.